So one day I was working modern physics, and especially it happens with me when I used to teach modern physics. Na, I don't have used to have control over me, because since it is my special paper, I go to any extent while doing modern physics. So I was working out something in atomic physics. I went to Compton effect and I was explaining and giving a question. So initially they were very frustrated. They were not getting a single question. All the questions they're getting stuck. एक मोटू था, he was from Delhi. So Milind Goel. So after 40-45 minutes, I just finished writing one question on the board. Milind got stood up. सर देखो, ऐसे हैरेसमेंट मत करो, जिंदगी में कभी आएगा क्या ऐसा क्वेश्चन आईआईटी में? नहीं आता तो क्यों देते हो? चलो, ओके। शशि, टेल मी।
सर वो ऊपर डब्बा हवा में उड़ रहा है।
नहीं 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 नहीं, वो इधर दो वॉल के बीच में फंसा हुआ है और नीचे लटक रहा है 4 मीटर पर सेकंड से।
I didn't got it, sir.
That is a wall. These are two vertical walls.
Okay, okay.
Through those two vertical walls, it is coming down. This is basically a crankshaft system used in a car.
कार में पुलिस कब रहते सर?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये वाला जो पिस्टन है ना, ये पिस्टन टाइप का सिस्टम है। आप लोग
ओके।
बाइक में देखते हो ना, 2 सिलेंडर इंजन, 4 सिलेंडर इंजन।
पेट्रोल के एड्स में आता है।
हाँ, तो ये सिलेंडर वाला फंडा यहीं से आता है।
ओके ओके।
ओके लिखिता मैडम, वी विल चेक। 14 meter per second is the answer. If it is correct, obviously, definitely 1/3 Kaksha mango white for you. And as I said earlier, whosoever solves correctly, all your gift you can collect. पुष्कर से उधारी में मांग सकते हो। प्रीतम,
So is it 21 meter per second?
20. Okay, fine. We'll check. Already we got option A and option B. Acha, one more point I forgot to give. Let us make a twist. I'm sorry, all your answer has to be changed. This insan, this human being, is running at 2 meter per second. So he is running at 2 meter per second and winding the rope at 10 meter per second. Okay, chalo. Sorry for the complication, don't abuse me. Atik.
Sir, 22 meters per second.
Okay, fine. We'll check, beta. Pritam.
So is it 20 meter per second?
20 meter per second. Okay. Likita, some 44. Okay. Yogananda.
Sir, 22 meter per second.
22 meter per second. Shashi.
Sir, I got 54.
Excellent. Banu.
Sir, I got 44 meter per second.
Okay, so I got 20, 22, 44, 54. Okay, 4 options are over. It cannot be more than that. पुष्कर 3 डिजिट में आया तो बता दे. Okay. Aditya.
Sir, 22, sir.
22. Vignesh Mama.
54, sir.
54. Still it is roaming under 4 options only. Puneet.
22.
22. Okay. Sushil.
22, sir.
22. Anything else, please? My dear friend. आकाश.
54.
तू है कहाँ? मॉर्निंग से ढूंढ रहा हूँ तुझे.
सर घर में.
घर में. अच्छा, सब ठीक है उधर?
यस सर.
अच्छा, बढ़िया. मतलब मैं पूछ रहा हूँ तू ठीक है ना?
यस सर.
हाँ ठीक है. ओके. अल्ताफ भाई कितना आया?
54, सर.
ओके. यस मिस्टर जगन मोहन राव.
Sir, 54.
ओके 54. वरुण.
Sir, 22.
Okay, fine, no problem. It's already 3:26, so I have to explain.
Sir, time is over.
Time is there. Chup. This is TT, 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 2T. 2T, 2T. 4T. 4T. Ante कितना बड़ा diagram है? This is 8T. Here also 2T, 2T. T, T. Fine, no problem. So I'll write 8T into 4. Okay na? 8T into 4. ఇది minus, no, plus 2T into V of M. Correct only? Right? All right? Wait 1 second. This is minus. This is minus because for the pulley tension is upward, for the block tension is downward. Okay, fine. No, plus only, no? Plus. Plus only because for the block tension is in this direction, it is moving in this direction. Same only. try to understand. No, for the pulley it is in upward direction. So for the block in downward direction, and block is also moving downward, so it must be plus, no? Okay, all right. Shashi,
Sorry, sir. I told 54. No, sir. It is 54 by 2, sir. 27.
no, that is fifth option, discarded. It cannot be taken.
Array. Okay.
So 80 into 4 plus 2t into Vm. Okay, na? Sare na? This one you see, minus t into how much? 12. Correct? Is equal to 0. Enta 32 minus 12. 20. So Vm is equal to 10 meter per second. Acha, can you notice one thing is this? Hatik, tell me.
Sir, it will not be 10 meters per second.
10 only, na? 32 minus
It will
12.
be minus 10.
Minus 10. Minus, that is I'm coming. Minus 10 means whatever the direction we have taken, desired direction is opposite.
Okay, sir.
So practically
Thank you,
it
sir.
should go downward. That's it. So answer is none of the above. Right. So there, that is a point to be careful, because for the block tension is downward actually. Okay. Now Puskar's answer was correct, I think. हाँ बोल भाई.
सर बचपन में ये स्ट्रिंग लगाने की गेम खेलता था सर मोबाइल पे, वो बहुत इजी लगता था।
अभी
सर के
छोड़ दे।
ऊपर भी जा रहा है।
अभी छोड़ दे। नहीं रे, ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है एक्चुअली. दिस इज वेरी इजी. इसमें thing is that all you need in this kind of question is patience level. Your patience level should be very high. मतलब if you try to solve these questions with my patience level, impossible है.